Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will discuss about the if-else condition. So what are the condition, or what are the if-else condition? If-else condition used to test the condition that the condition is true or false. It is checks the boolean condition whether it is true or false. So let's start the video without wasting time. Let's take an integer variable, that is int I is equal to 20, and let's make a condition that if I is equal to 20, so then print this value, and let's print this value system.out.println yes, or you use in semicolon, yes it is 20. Now run this program and let's see what it will show. Yes, it is 20. So now you will say that what is the meaning of this double equal to. It basically it is a comparatively operators or is equal to operators. It shows that I is equal to 20. That's I has a value of 20. If I has a value of 20, then it prints it is yes, it is 20. And let's assume if I is not equal to 20, what should it print? It should print, we use here else condition, else system.out.println, and it will show that I is not equal to 20. Yes, you can write anything here, but as for your simplicity I'll write this. And now if now run this program, and yes, it is 20 because I is 20. Let's change the value of here 10. I is equal to 10. If I is equal to 10, now what will be the result? I is not equal to 20 because we have assigned I is equal to 20, and that's if I, and now we have used a condition that if I is equal to 10, if I has a value of 10, then it is 20. Other if it else it is not equal to 20, because now right now I is equal to 10. We have mentioned that I is not equal to 20. It will show the result. Okay, now there are this is called as relational operators. Now you will see what are the relational operators. Relational operators are like I'll show you here. Okay, these are the relational operators. That first one is equal, double, equal to is equal to, use for equal to. Next one is here is not equal to, and this sign here used for greater than, and this sign here is used to less than, and the next one is greater than or equal to, that the variable is greater than or equal to this, and last is less than. So let's use the another relational operator, that is not equal to. If I is not equal to 10, here that condition is true. Yes, I is not equal to 10 because we have assigned I is equal to 20. Then it should print out yes, it is 20. Else it is not, I is not equal to 20. Then let's try and run this program. Yes, it is 20 because this is true condition. I is not equal to 20. We can also use another relational operators like I is equal to greater than 10. This is condition is also true because I is greater than 10, because we have mentioned I is equal to 10. And let's try and run this program. What will be the result? Yes, it is 20, because yes, I is greater than 10. Or you can write here, yes, I is greater than 10, and this will look like good, because it is understandable. Yes, I is greater than 10. Okay, what let's change the condition here. Let's use the I is equal to I less than 10. This condition is false condition, because we I is equal to 20. Then how can be I less than 10? So what should be the result here? Result you will see here, I is not equal to 2, or you can say I is not less than 10. So this here this here is if else condition works in Java, and these are the relational operators works in Java in if else condition. So if you like my video, if you understand my video, please give a thumbs up and share the video. And if you don't understand in first time, then it is okay, it's not big deal. Then watch the video again and you will definitely understand. Thank you so much for watching me.